Please like and subscribe before we get started, if I can ask you to do that. So I'm going to show you, I've had a request already, how to acquire the helicopter, the boat, the water ski, which is like the water craft, and how to acquire the machine gun on the boat. So I'm going to show you, and this is going to be pretty simple, but I'm going to have to talk pretty fast, but I'll show you the best that I can. When we go in, I'm going to ask you to look for the yellow highlighted when I tell you to look for the yellow highlighted. We'll make this real easy. We're going to go in. I got my volume down, guys, so bear with me. I'm not going to be hearing much. But this is in Ground War. This is a game, this particular, I think should have came out 5 years ago whenever they first came out with the game. And by the way, in this one, guys, you can actually jump in the water and swim around. In case you didn't know it, you can swim underneath the rig too. So what we want to do, and I'm going to die right away, hopefully, so I can show you what I'm doing.
Capture the objectives. We're capturing Delta. Enemy taking Bravo.
Going to E.
We captured D. Enemy taking Alpha. Enemy has Bravo. Enemy taking Charlie. We captured Echo. Enemy has Alpha. We've taken the lead.
Alright, now I died. Now, on this map, I'm going to tell you to look to the far right. Look to the right. We got the yellow helmet, boat, helicopter, and so we want to crash confirm when you figure out what you want. I'm sorry that was really fast. I'll try to do it again here in a few minutes.
We lost A. We captured Charlie. Friendly hunter-killer drone. Capturing B. Charlie. Taking Delta. We're capturing Alpha. We lost Charlie. Destroy enemy SAM turret. Hostile hunter-killer drone. Our sentry gun has been destroyed. Capturing A. Enemy airstrike incoming. Careful. Capturing C. Our SAM turret has been destroyed. Enemy taking Echo. Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
Anyway.
It's too close. Fight harder. We lost E. We're capturing Echo.
So I need to find out where I'm at.
Charlie. Be advised, hostile stealth chopper inbound.
And we might die again, guys, but I'll show you real quick.
We're capturing Alpha.
I'm actually doing really well here.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Using Charlie. Killer drone deployed. We're capturing E.
Oh, shoot. That's what it's going on. All right. Look to the right. There's a helmet. Boat. This. That. This. We'll go back to the helicopter. Push confirm.
Enemy stealth chopper. Friendly EMP systems incoming. We're capturing A. We've called in a lightning strike. Capture Bravo. Enemy taking D. Losing B. Our sentry has been destroyed. We captured A. We lost B. Lost Bravo. Losing C. We're capturing Echo. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. We're capturing D. We captured E. We captured Delta. Enemy taking Delta. Hostile sentry gun has been destroyed. We're capturing B. We lost Delta. Friendly XS-1 Goliath incoming. Enemy taking E. Friendly XS-1 Goliath is win. Losing E. We're capturing Delta.
And you can even shoot the helicopters.
We tied for the lead. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Losing Alpha. We called in a lightning strike. XS-1 Goliath has been destroyed. Capturing Mega Point.
So I got that guy following me.
We've captured
Not
the
sure
Mega
where
Point.
he went.
Be advised, hostile stealth chopper inbound. Losing A. Friendly napalm deployed. Lost Alpha. Losing Mega Point. Capturing Alpha. Destroy enemy stealth chopper.
And I blew it
Losing
up.
Mega Point.
Yay!
Capturing Bravo. Enemy taking Echo. We've lost the Mega Point. Captured B. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. We lost Echo. Capturing Mega Point. Losing Bravo. Captured.
Well, we're going to try to grab another helicopter, guys.
Winning this one. Losing Mega Point.
It looks like I'm out of helicopter, so let's take the boat.
Capturing
And
E.
see if we can get somewhere with this, man. It looks like we just won the match, guys. So anyways, that's how you do it. You go to the right. Whenever you die, go to the right. It has your helmet, and then a boat, and then your helicopter, and then the water boat. The water jet ski, or whatever you want to call that. So that's how you do it, guys. So this is Z-Dog. Please like and subscribe. Until later.